round 7, 3 chain, 1 2 3. We put a marker at top of first 3 chain and 3 more chain, 1 2 3. 3 chain count as first double crochet and 3 chain space. Now front post half double crochet around the first half double crochet, another front post half double crochet around next half double crochet, now here we want to make 5 front post double crochet cluster around this 5 double crochet here, one, two, three, 4 and 5, totally 6 loops on the hook and the cluster. Now a front post half double crochet around first front post, another front post half double crochet around next front post half double crochet, now 3 chain, 1 2 3, a double crochet, top of double crochet, 2 chain. Now here we want to make 3 double crochet around this double crochet we made right now, like this, 1 2 and 3 and a single crochet into this chain 1 space here, after this single crochet from the first front post double crochet to here, the last one, we have 12 front post double crochet. Around the first one we make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, skip 1 front post double crochet here and we go for next 1 front post double crochet, another front post double crochet around next, now 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around next here, 1 and 2. So here we made 2 front post, skip 1 front post, 1 front post, 2 2 and 2. Now here skip 1 and here we make 2 front post double crochet, so skip 1 and 2 front posts here, 1 and 2 front posts. Now chain 1, skip 1 front post double crochet and around next we make 1 front post double crochet, like this, 2 front post, skip 1, one front post, one front post, two front post, two front post, two front post, skip one here, then around next two front post, skip one, chain one and one front post, and skip the last front post double crochet. Now here into chain one space we make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a single crochet behind of this 4 double crochet. We have 4 double crochet here, behind of this 4 in the center like this, into this chain one space. So we want to make a single crochet behind of this 4 in the center like this. Now 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here from the first front post double crochet to the last one we have 12 front post double crochet. We want to make 2 front post double crochet around the first, skip 1, 2 front post, skip 1, 2 front post, skip 1 and continue. So like this, 2 front post double crochet around the first front post, 1 and 2, skip 1 front post and 2 front post around next, 1 and 2, skip 1 and 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, skip 1, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, skip 1 double crochet here and 2 front post around next, 1 and 2, skip 1 front post and into next we make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, and skip the last front post. We make 5 chain, 2, 3, 4 and 5, for here we want to make a single crochet behind of this 4 double crochet here, so a single crochet in the center from behind. Now here in this side we want to make 5 double crochet into chain one space here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here to here is the same as here. Skip the first front post double crochet and around next we make 1 front post double crochet, Now chain 1. Now skip the next front post and we go for next 2 front post double crochet. 1 and 2, skip 1 front post and 2 front post double crochet around the next 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around the next 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around next 1 and 2. Now a front post double crochet around the next, a front post double crochet around the next. Here skip 1, 2 front post double crochet around the last front post, 1 and 2. Now a single crochet into chain 1 space here. After the single crochet, we want to make 3 double crochet around this 3 chain here. So 1, 2 and 3. Now 2 chain, 1, 2 and the slip stitch into this chain we marked here. I just removed the marker and the slip stitch. Round 7 finish, and it's like this.